Hello friends, today we will install PostgreDB in our Windows 11 system. So first we will go to the official website of PostgreSQL.org, and we will go to the download section. There are three options from where you can go, like download, download and download. So you can go from anywhere. So there here you can see there are five options of the OS, like whatever the operating system you are using. You can select, like if you are using Linux, Mac OS, Windows, or BST or Solaris. So I will go with Windows because I am using Windows 11. So Windows. So and PostgreSQL recommend the Postgres installation using EDB. It's a software package manager. It's provide software installation created by Microsoft. So and also recommend to install this using EDB. It's provide the executable files. So just click here, download the installer, and you can see here Mac OS, Linux, Windows 64-32-bit. So because most of the updated OS having 64-bit, so I will even my system is also having 64-bit, and the latest version is Postgres 17.4. So I will download it. So it will start downloading in few seconds. So it's just start downloading. So go to the history. Yeah, it will. From here you can see the documentation. You can read online, like, or you can download the PDF later. Huge. So I'm just going to try to download one PDF. Okay. So as you can see, it's downloading. It's 3,000 pages PDF. So if sometime you don't want to wanna go to the online, you can go from here itself. Why don't I thinking my system change? I will download this too. And yeah, okay. So let's check. Yeah, our system is the PostgreSQL is downloaded already. This is the setup executable file. Just go, because I have to. If I not choose this, it will not install. So you can see EDB installer, and you don't have to change. It's default path. It's automatically taking in the C drive in the post like program files, and just go with the next. Here you have to skip the step builder because it's not necessary. Like it's unnecessary thing. We just need server and admin and command line tools. these three are rich, and this like software installer it will provide you some other setup. So we don't need that. So we have we'll go with these three. Just go to the next. And in my case, it's saying like an history data directory has been found in C with both directory for this installation. So if it is saying this like I have installed the Postgres to like make up this video. So some of file will remain there, like some configurations file. So that will use in this installation. So kind of I don't have to set the password kind of thing maybe. Let's see. Yeah, and one more thing, like I have clicked and I didn't get the password screen, but you guys can see the same screen with the password to set password. So where there you can set your password for Postgres and write it down somewhere else, like to not forget when you access using pgadmin. Setup is already to begin installing Postgres on computer. Okay, yeah, just go next. This started to install. And one more thing, like if you anytime you guys anytime require like to uninstall Postgres, then uh, to uninstall fully with the configuration file, you have to go in the C drive in the program files and Postgres. So just delete the Postgres folder. So it will erase all the configuration thing. So second time when you will come for the same thing, then you will not get that message. You will get the fresh installation. It's going to be finished. Our installation is almost complete. Then it may take 30 seconds to 1 minute. I'm not sure. Let it be done. Yeah, so it's finished now. Just go to finish, and now to check the installation success, we just search psql open. So go with the default. Just we have to just enter. Yeah, database Postgres. Enter port default. Enter username Postgres. Enter and password. I have entered the password. So now the password. Now you are in the cell. So just type the command. Create database test db new db 25. Okay. Just remember like to create sentence in capital letters, like create and database in caps letter. Just enter. So you can see database creator. Just go to the database. So there is a command backward slash and C and database name test tb new 25. So now you are in the database. Okay, so you can create any tables like uh, create table cars. Just enter because we have to create some column id int. Just or you can take big int. Okay, and brand care to provide brand and year brand, sorry, brand and model year care to 55. And now just close this. So I think we have made a mistake. Okay, sorry, we didn't give the comma in the. I'm very sorry, guys. So that's important. ID comma. So don't do this mistake. And the model. So you can leave this as it is. And with the last option, yeah. So table is created. So you can do one thing like you can do the inserts. You can insert some record in this table. So as our ID is not auto increment, so we can insert ID in there too. So like just use insert into command and sorry cars and ID brand model. So we will put the values. So we will put the ID on here. It should take as because it's int and brand is BMW. I'm just not sure like I can do 7 or whatever. Okay, just and enter. Yeah, it's inserted. So just run the select command. Sorry, in the caps. Select all from CARS cars. So you can see one record successfully, right? So you can, as you can see, like we have installed the PostgreSQL in Windows, and we are able to successfully get a database and table and insert a record and fetch a record from that. So we can do the same thing from the if shell script of the PostgreSQL, and we can do the same thing from the Postgre pgadmin. Pgadmin. So yeah, it's installed here. If you remember, I have shown you the three options like pgadmin, server, and CLI. So this is the CLI and this is the pgadmin. So this also may take 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, so this is the server. Okay, this also requires all databases which are already installed there. So yeah, this is the TV we have created. Let's go with the schema and tables. So with data rows. Okay. So and you also learn like how can access the TV and record from the PGN. Okay. So thank you everyone.